Some things in life are bad, they can really make you mad. Other things just make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life bristle, don't grumble, take a whistle. This help things to out for the best. Always look on the bright side of life. Ba-dum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-dum. Always look on the light side of life. Ba-dum, ba-da-da-da-da-dum. Life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chum, just burst your lips and whisper, that's a thing. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. For life is quite absurd, and that's the final word. Must always face the curtain with a bow. Forget about your sin, give audience a grin. Enjoy it is your last chance anyhow. Always look on the bright side of death. Ta-dum, ta-da-da-dum, ta-dum. Just before you draw your terminal breath. For life is a piece of shit when you look at it. Life is laughing, that's a joke, that's true. You see it in all show, keep them laughing as you know. Just remember that the last laugh is on you.